There are two types of whiteboard in LearningFlow.ai. In this video, we will explain the use of the basic whiteboard feature in LearningFlow.ai. A basic whiteboard provides three possible actions: a pen with a color palette to write or draw, an eraser to make small edits, and a trash bin to delete all input on the whiteboard and start over. Depending on the expected answer, your teacher may choose a specific whiteboard size for you to work on. The size of a basic whiteboard is fixed, so you will have to plan the use of space suitably. Basic whiteboard allows you to draw on pre-uploaded images, so that you do not have to draw standard components, such as the Cartesian axis of a graph. You may also be asked to circle or annotate an image for submission of work.